Hey guys, do you know that insurance is one of the rapidly growing sectors in India, which is expected to reach at $150 billion by 2027, and yet the insurance penetration in India is only 3.7%, which means out of 100 people, only 3.7 people has some insurance in their name. So, to fill this gap, a company called as Shield Insurance Limited is working towards providing affordable insurance plans to people. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is abhinilekar and this is my final submission for the Code Basics virtual internship, which is a part of Code Basics Data Analytics Bootcamp. In this report, we will analyze the performance of Shield Insurance Limited and try to identify the problems in the Indian insurance sector and their solutions as well. So in this report, first we will see the general analysis, which will have the KPIs such as total revenue, total customer, daily revenue growth, daily customer growth as well. Then we will also see the trend of the revenue and the customers month over month. Then we'll see customer split, revenue split, and the customer segmentation. Second, we will see the sales mode analysis, in which we will analyze the performance based on sales mode such as online or offline, and we'll also see the trend of sales mode over month. Then third is the age group analysis, in which we will analyze the performance based on age groups such as number of age group versus number of customers, age group versus policy preference, age group versus settlement percentage, and age group versus policy preferences. So let's get started. So first is the general view. In general view, we'll first see the KPIs here. So the first KPI here is the total revenue. So we can see that the total revenue is 156.32 million, which is around 18.71% better than the last month's revenue. The second KPI here is the total customers, which is around 4020, which is 6.15% better than the last month's customers. Then the third KPI is the daily revenue growth, which is around 5.04 million, which is 14.88% better than the last month's daily revenue growth. And the fourth KPI is the daily customer growth with around 129.68, which is around 3% better than the last month's daily customer growth. Now we will see the revenue trend by months. We can see that for November 2022 the revenue was 132 million, for December it was 156 million, for January it was 141, and for February it was around 143 million. But for March we see the sudden spike, which is at around 264 million, and again in the April 2023 we see the drop of around 154 million. So now let's see the revenue split and the customer split. So if we see the revenue split, the top total revenue generating cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Chennai, and the total customer as well for Delhi is the highest, followed by Mumbai and then the Hyderabad. Now let's see the customer split. We will see this customer split by age group, total customer, and the total revenue as well. So we can clearly see that for age group of 31 to 40, we have the highest number of customers, which is around 11,000, and the total revenue as well is the highest with 356 million, followed by the age group of 41 to 50, which is around 5,000 customers with the revenue of with the total revenue of 192 million, and it is followed by the age group of 25 to 30, which is around total customers are around 4,000, and they are generating the total revenue of 73 million. Now let's see the customer segmentation. Here in customer segmentation, we can again see that the city of Delhi NCR tops the list within the age group with around 10,000 customers, and in total revenue which is around 402 million, and the total customer of around 11,000, followed by the city of Hyderabad, which is 4,000 customer with the revenue of 161 million, and the total customers of 4,000. Now let's move forward. Second is the sales mode analysis. So in sales mode analysis, we have various types of sales mode such as online and offline. in those sales mode, we have two categories, which is offline agent and offline direct. And in online sales mode, we have again two categories, which is online app sale and online website sale. So we will see the performance according to the sales mode. Here we can see that the trend of sales mode over the month has seen a similar trend as of revenue as well, because from November to February it was kind of around 4,000, but in March it saw a sudden spike is around 7,000, and again it in April 2023 it dropped to around 4,000 as well. Now we will see the total customer split by sales mode. In this we can again clearly see that the offline agent sales mode tops the list with around 55.41% customers, followed by the online app sale mode with around 16.03% of the customers. Now let's see the total customer split percentage by sales mode. Again here the offline agent tops the list with 55.67% of total revenue, followed by the online app sales mode, which is around 16.27% of the total revenue. So that's it for this page. Now let's move forward. Third is the age group analysis. So let's see the trend by age group. In this trend we can clearly see that the age group of 31 to 40 has the highest number of customers, which is around 11.4 thousand customers. And second is the age group of 41 to 50, which is around 4.5 thousand customers. And the third is the 25 to 30 age group with around 3.8 thousand customers. Now let's see age group versus policy preferences. So here we can again clearly see that the age group 31 to 40 has purchased the highest number of policies, which is around 11.4 thousand policies, followed by the 41 to 50 with around 4.5 thousand policies, and the third is the 25 to 30, which is with the policies around 3.7 thousand. Now let's see the age group versus settlement percentage. Here we can surprisingly see that the age group of 51 to 65 has the highest percentage of settlement, which is around 36.85, followed by the age group of 41 to 50 with around 22.85%, followed by the 31 to 40 age group with 20.12% of settlement percentage. Now as we saw in the report, there are some challenges being faced by the insurance sector in India. Now let's see these challenges one by one. So first challenge here is the regulatory challenges. What does this mean is that the regulatory authorities in India have some strict guidelines which restricts the efficient working of the insurance company. So this needs to be tackled. The second challenge here is the low insurance penetration. As we see, only 3.7% people in India have some kind of insurance. So insurance in there, which shows the low penetration level of the insurance in among the Indian people. The third thing here is the high cost of insurance. So high cost of insurance, people are not able to afford, especially the people from rural and poor background are not able to afford the insurance products. And the last challenge here is the lack of awareness. Due to lack of awareness, people such as people from poor and rural background are not even aware about the benefits that they can get from the insurance products. Now let's look at some of the solutions to tackle the challenges. So first solution here is to increase the disposable income of the people, so that more and more people will be able to afford the insurance products. Here second solution is to growing the awareness about the insurance product in the people, so that more and more people will get attracted to an insurance product and they will buy this insurance products. So third solution here is through government initiatives, such as reducing the compliance burdens on the company. And the fourth solution here is to increase the digital literacy of the people, so that more and more people, especially from the rural and the poor background, will be able to access the insurance platforms. So that's it for this presentation. And now thank you so much to the entire Code Basics team, Dhaval Patel sir and Hemanand sir, for creating this amazing data analytics bootcamp course. And I'm very happy that I joined and I learned so much in this bootcamp. So thank you for creating this course. And thanks to all of you for listening to this presentation, and feel free to reach out to me if you want to talk anything about this. And thank you so much for your time, and appreciate your patience. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.